Hey everyone, are you tired of your Windows 11 running slow? In this video, I'm going to show you 6 simple steps to make your PC faster, smoother, and more responsive, without installing any extra software. These are quick and effective tricks that will help free up space, optimize system performance, and boost your PC speed. So, if you're ready to supercharge your Windows 11, let's jump right into it. And there you have it. By following these 6 easy steps, your Windows 11 should now be running smoother and faster than ever. Remember to restart your PC after making these changes to see the full effect. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech tips. See you in the next video. Stay fast, stay productive. Peace.